Welcome to Nazia's vlog. Right now, it's my birthday at midnight. And you pop balloon that I wrote. So, that's a big surprise. My friend came and Munna gave me flowers and cake. It's so pretty. And I'm wearing a beautiful dress.
Good morning. నాకు కేక్ కరావుగా
Che te capai del conto mi basta.
Di che vuoi lasciare? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Eva. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. So right now, I got ready and I came to the living room and I checked out that my friends brought me food. Yesterday I came home from work and I saw this package right here from Sephora. And I was wondering, I didn't even order Sephora. And I noticed that my friend from all the way from Saskatoon, she sent me this as a birthday gift, which is, I'm surprised. So I'm going to open it. Let's see what's inside. She has a YouTube channel too. You should watch it. It's called Bangladeshi Canadian Couple. Her videos are amazing. So let me see what she sent me. Oh wow. So she sent me a nude Hudy Beauty palette. The eyeshadow right here. Pretty cute. I think this is natural color. And she sent me a Huda Beauty lipstick set right here. I'm gonna open it. Oh, there's a seal. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, wow, look, it's so pretty. I really like it. It's a red lipstick. It's very pretty. And give me some samples. As you can see. And she wrote a small little note. She said, "Happy birthday, Eva. I hope you like the birthday gift from Aki." That's so sweet of her. Thank you so much for this wonderful gift. And I was so surprised. Bye.